We are pleased to welcome you. Are you in search of cutting-edge machinery that can assist you in overcoming the most challenging tasks? In this video, we will showcase a variety of ingenious woodworking inventions that are highly regarded in the industry and are designed to enhance productivity, performance, and profitability. Log transporters, treat receptacles. Some of the solutions we will discuss to help you overcome any obstacle that may arise are forestry mulchers and winches. However, there is more to learn about the fantastic machinery of today. Be careful to press the like and subscribe buttons with all of your strength, as we put a significant amount of effort into creating them. Tiger Cat Feller Bunchers. Tiger Cat Feller Bunchers are the preferred choice for professional loggers due to their exceptional performance, operator comfort, and safety, as well as their exceptional reliability. Tiger Cat's wider-range gearbox enables operators to traverse a greater expanse of land and bunch trees at a faster pace, all while maintaining power. The saw head is supplied with the utmost amount of power by hydraulic systems that have been optimized, resulting in more effective cutting and higher production rates per hour. The Tiger Cat centerpieces, which are legendary, are constructed from materials that are durable and will maintain their performance for an extended period in severe forestry conditions. The cabs of Tiger Cat Feller Bunchers are spacious and silent, and they are furnished with ergonomic seating, air ride suspension, and climate control to ensure the operator's comfort during extended shifts. Large windows and skylights enhance visibility to the work area, thereby enhancing productivity and safety. Bluetooth, sound systems, and hands-free communication are implemented to guarantee connectivity and keep operators informed. Tiger Cat offers a full range of felling heads that can be customized to suit specific applications, thereby reducing your overall harvesting expenses and enhancing productivity. This list comprises the most prevalent types. 845E buncher of the feller. The 845E is a feller buncher that is efficient, responsive, and rapid. It is most appropriate for supports with a variety of diameters and high-cycle felling operations. The machine is an ideal complement to the Tiger Cat 5400 felling saw, as it offers both firm management of larger timber and exceptional accumulating ability in lower stem diameters. Buncher for the L845E feller. The L845E is a very efficient, responsive, and rapid feller buncher. It is most appropriate for supports with a variety of diameters and high-cycle felling operations. The carrier is an excellent complement to the Tiger Cat 5400 felling saw, as it enables staple management of larger timber in addition to exhibiting exceptional accumulating capabilities in smaller stem sizes. Buncher of the feller, 855E. Tiger Cat's 855E feller buncher is capable of achieving high productivity while ingesting minimal fuel due to its fuel-efficient engine, improved hydraulic circuits, and the distinctive boom technology that Tiger Cat has developed. Operators appreciate the ergonomic cabin's exceptional accessibility to routine servicing areas. L855E buncher for the feller. Thanks to its fuel-efficient engine, updated hydraulic circuits, and Tiger Cat's unique boom technology, the 855E feller buncher is capable of achieving exceptional productivity with minimal fuel consumption in steep slope harvesting applications. X870D buncher for the feller. The X870D is a high-performance feller buncher that is equipped with closed-loop track drives and technology, enabling it to respond and move rapidly. The machine is optimally suited for operators who are highly proficient and necessitate the unit to operate at its fullest capacity without any compromises. Buncher for the LX870D feller. The LX870D feller buncher, a high-performance piece of machinery, is equipped with closed-loop track motors and technology to enhance its responsiveness and speed. This equipment is suitable for operators who require machine performance for harsh and precipitous slope felling operations and possess a high level of expertise. Menzie provides the Muck M5X series. In the construction sector, specialized civil engineering, forestry, gardening and landscaping, municipal technology, drilling technology, and other sectors. All Menzie Muck walking excavators are unique due to their patented excavator arm and innovative high-tech chassis. Their exceptional capabilities and application potential are attributable to these components. A Menzie Muck is capable of adapting to any terrain, assuring stability and movement while simultaneously providing the user with the highest level of safety. The hydraulic power for attachments is substantially higher for a traditional excavator of the same weight class, as are the lifting and ripping forces. Furthermore, the lifting and tearing forces are significantly greater. Their slogan is "We begin where others cease." The Menzie Mucket M5X series is the optimal choice for specialists who are tasked with working on steep slopes and challenging landscapes due to its construction for difficult terrain. Menzie Muck has developed a proprietary undercarriage concept that enables a maximum width adjustment of 6 meters, resulting in exceptional stability on slopes that are up to 45 degrees above the earth. You can complete your tasks with precision and simplicity, even on the most perilous slopes. The M5X is capable of effectively managing challenging duties. The M5X is equipped with the following features: an infinitely variable VIX drive by Menzie that enables smooth travel speeds of up to 15 kilometers per hour, a Pivation parallel support system that ensures optimal stability on uneven terrain, 4 wheels of equal size with widths of up to 800 millimeters that provide superior traction and maneuverability, and optional hill supports that provide additional security on extreme hill slopes. The Rotor S Root Crusher. The Rotor S Stub Crusher is a professional attachment that can be installed on excavators and tractors that weigh between 5 and 8 tons. Its objective is to ensure that the removal of stumps and roots is as thorough and efficient as feasible. The Rotor S is capable of grinding stumps and roots of any size and type of wood into small fragments, thereby eliminating the necessity for human removal or subsequent processing. The machine is capable of working proficiently on lawns, parks, gardens, streets, and other uneven surfaces due to its ability to focus solely on the stump and roots. This is due to its ability to function without causing excessive disturbance to the surrounding areas of the trunk and roots. The Rotor S is equipped with a variety of tools that can be affixed to it. A cylinder with an expelling mechanism is one of these instruments. This attachment simplifies the process of separating the remaining timber by removing the core from the center of the stump. This is a standard root cutting ring that is employed to grind large trunks or in areas with restricted workspace. The root cutting ring, which is equipped with side blades, is an accessory that facilitates the simultaneous removal of the core and the grinding of the exterior root. The Rotor S is intended to be user-friendly due to its ability to be operated with a single lever and is regulated by the tractor's existing hydraulics. Narva S23 Stroke Harvester. The Narva S23 Stroke Harvester is a groundbreaking piece of equipment that is suitable for both homeowners and tree service professionals. We are delighted to present it to you. Visualize a scenario in which you could effortlessly and efficiently oversee the initial thinning, the production of charcoal, and the harvesting of energy wood. When installing the Narva S23, which is weighted between 240 and 260 kilograms and is intended for straightforward installation, there is no need for supplementary hydraulics or electricity. Remove one pin and connect 2 hoses to be prepared for immediate use. The S23 simplifies tree management with its rapid guillotine cutting mechanism, which can execute cuts of up to 23 centimeters, and its user-friendly controls, which are operated by the grapple open and close valve. The process is straightforward. Merely select a button to close the grips, commence stroke feeding, reach the desired length, and then cut the tree once it has reached the appropriate length. The S23 is not only lightweight and efficient, but it also boasts a mechanically secured tilt mechanism that guarantees stability during declimbing. When the time comes to transfer lesser trees, simply release the hold and the delimbing head will emerge without any resistance. However, this is not the only application for the S23. It can also be employed as a biomass processor. The solid and dependable guillotine, which has been refined over several decades of experience, can be equipped with splitting blades to produce firewood that is 25 to 50 centimeters in length following the felling process. The process of mounting and removing the wedges is straightforward and necessitates only 3 fasteners. When utilized in conjunction with the Narva firewood rack, it offers a comprehensive solution for the processing of firewood, rendering it the most efficient and user-friendly firewood processor in the world. The Narva S23 enables you to elevate your tree administration abilities to the next level. This is the point at which innovation and simplicity intersect to provide unparalleled performance. Caliper PN 8.5 DH. The KRPN 85DH is a heavy-duty forestry winch that was designed and constructed by KRPN to facilitate the effective management of logs and the maneuvering of forestry equipment in difficult terrain. It is an indispensable piece of equipment for professional loggers, as it boasts exceptional pulling force and a durable design. The KRPN 85DH is capable of effortlessly completing even the most challenging log towing assignments, thanks to its 8.5-ton pulling capacity. The hydraulic folding butt plate is an optional accessory that enables logs to rest against the plate, resulting in a smoother towing experience, particularly on uneven surfaces. The KRPN 8.5DH is engineered to endure the punishing conditions that are prevalent in forestry environments and is made from premium materials. The differential drive, which enhances the vehicle's mobility, the remote control, which offers an additional level of convenience, and the extended butt plate lengths, which offer greater support, are all potential options. Vitali KRPN has made a name for itself as a leading provider of high-quality machinery in the forestry and ARP industry. The company has established a global reputation for its production of high-quality machinery, including forestry trailer cranes, firewood machinery, and forestry pulleys, as well as a diverse array of supporting attachments for handling and processing. KRPN was founded in 1977 and has maintained this esteemed status by creating and manufacturing top-tier machinery that prioritizes safety, functionality, and quality. KRPN is the proprietor of numerous international patents, in addition to trademarks and registered designs. The company is committed to maintaining its commitment to exceptional craftsmanship while simultaneously exploring new opportunities for innovation and development in its machinery to meet the evolving needs of the forestry industry. Bison 100006WD. Bison 10006WD, which is one of our largest mini forwarders. The Bison 10000 is a smooth mini forwarder that is very easy to drive, with a clearance height of as much as 35 centimeters. The machine is hydrostatic driven, which means that it has a drive pedal which regulates the speed. Releasing the pedal, the machine stops and stands still until you press the pedal again. The direction forward or back is selected easily with a button on the side of the chair. With a Bison 10000, you will do a very effective job. You can sit back and drive the machine on a working RPM, release the pedal, load the log, and press the pedal, and you're off. This without having to drop down the machine at low RPM, put it neutral, or pull a handbrake. Bison 10000 is very smooth because the middle of the machine is located almost exactly in between the front and rear wheels. This means that the rear of the machine runs almost in the same track as the front wheels. Despite its narrow width of only 155 centimeters, the Bison 10000 is very stable. This is thanks to its low center of gravity. Bison 10000 has high and low gear, 7 and 3.5 kilometers/h. The low and high gear have a 6-wheel drive. Transport gear is optional. The machine will then run on 14 kilometers/h. The Plant Max. The Plant Max is a machine that was developed by Plantma AB to automate the process of planting seedlings in the forestry sector. The machine will execute the following actions. The earth should be cultivated and compacted, and a seedling should be planted in a single pass. The machine is capable of planting over 40 seedlings per minute under optimal conditions. The operations records should be collected and archived. In 2018, we initiated the development of our prototype machine, the Plantma X, and conducted the initial field tests in the latter part of 2019. We brought the machine to the workshop to make some modifications to prepare it for the 2020 season after the advent of winter. In April 2020, we conducted a capacity test in favorable conditions, which included sandy soil, flat land, the absence of rocks, and the absence of any obstructions, before dispatching it to the forest. Additionally, the results indicate that the machine is capable of planting 2,800 seedlings per hour when operating under optimal conditions. In 2020, the machine was subjected to a variety of scenarios, such as various types of ground, seedlings, and other factors, by 3 of Sweden's most prominent forest firms. The trials were crucial for us because they enabled us to assess the machine's components in terms of their durability, functionality, and other pertinent attributes, in addition to acquiring a more comprehensive comprehension of the numerous environments in which the machine would operate. Plant X's dependability was demonstrated in the autumn of 2020 when it planted its millionth seedling. The machine achieved this feat. The machine was transported to North America after the successful trials in Sweden, where it was used to perform demonstrations in the southeast. It ultimately made its way to Canada, where it has been used to plant for J.D. Irving in New Brunswick for the past 2 planting seasons. We initiated the production of supplementary devices during the prototype's planting. The initial serially produced variants of the planting unit, which we dubbed Plant Max, were delivered in 2022. Currently, we have machinery in operation in New Zealand, Brazil, and Sweden. To accommodate the diverse conditions, new features have been incorporated. For instance, the initial machine in Brazil has been equipped with a prototype ripper and fertilizer. Woodcracker C550. The Woodcracker C550 is a hydraulic tree cutter that is designed to be attached to excavators to cut down trees. It is an exceptionally advantageous instrument for land clearance, forestry mulching, and the production of biomass due to its capacity to fall, grasp, and process trees efficiently. The C550's robust scissor mechanism enables the efficient and clear cutting of trees. The multi-grip control that is incorporated enables the operation of both the gripper and the cutting system with pinpoint accuracy. This feature ensures that the scissors and gripper operate in unison, thereby achieving the utmost possible level of performance. The auto speed mode, which is optional, allows the cutting mechanism to close more rapidly when processing weakened wood, thereby expediting the processing. This C550 can be equipped with a tiltator that can rotate indefinitely to achieve the maximum possible degree of flexibility and maneuverability when working with trees. The collection grab, an optional accessory that can be affixed between the scissors and the primary grab, can be regarded as an enhancement in adaptability to gather and stack processed wood. Furthermore, the Woodcracker C550 was employed in South Africa for harvesting. Eucalyptus trees with a diameter of 55 to 60 centimeters were harvested in South Africa. These trees were located in a creek channel that functions as a flood zone. This measure was implemented with the state of South Africa's consent to guarantee that water could be distributed without obstruction in the event of a flood. Even though eucalyptus is one of the most challenging timber types to harvest, the Woodcracker C550 tree cutter was employed to efficiently complete the process. The Woodcracker was found to have additional operational areas, one of which was the administration of orange plantations. Avenues of pine trees serve as windbreaks and erosion protection between the expansive plantations. When pine trees attain a specific height, they become overly shaded and consume an excessive quantity of water, a valuable resource. The conventional technique of removing trees and shrubs involves the use of specialized machinery designed to handle dense vegetation. These machines are engineered to efficiently cut and clear large areas, reducing the labor and time required compared to manual methods. This technique is essential for maintaining forest health, preventing the spread of diseases, and managing land for agricultural or development purposes. RTD12 Log Stacker Sets. The RTD12 KURO log stacker is engineered to endure, with a focus on durability and longevity. Tangno's paint systems have consistently exceeded the expectations of this titan, even though they are operating in challenging environments. The RTD12 KURO, which was introduced to the market 2 years ago, is the first log stacker that was exclusively designed and manufactured by SKS Twijelo Works Oy. The company initiated the process of contract manufacturing log stackers for Kalmar in 2003. The company acquired Kalmar's log stacker operation a decade later. At that time, the brand name was modified, and a new generation of champions, known as TW log stackers, was born. SKS Twijelo Works has a lengthy history of contract manufacturing for a variety of other significant firms, including John Deere, Metso Minerals, Sandvik, and Tana, among others. It is self-evident that the product's exceptional quality is of the uttermost importance to each of these partners. The log stackers have an exceptionally extended lifespan. The RTD 3126 is the most substantial of the available options, with a lift capacity of 31 tons, and is preferred by manufacturing facilities that produce cellulose and paper, as well as massive sawmills. In addition, the RTD 3000 126 is capable of unloading a vehicle in a single pass and lifting a load to a height of 7.9 meters. The RTD 3126 is capable of lifting the entire cargo from a truck to a height of 7.9 meters in a single pass and has a lift capability of 31 tons. The RTD 1723 sawmill powerhouse is capable of operating on sorting lines in addition to its effectiveness in unloading vehicles. Additionally, it is capable of effortlessly transporting and hoisting the round logs to a storage area that is 7.2 meters in height. The RTD 1723 log stacker can lift 17 tons from the earth. The new RTD 12 Kuro is the smallest log stacker available, and it is highly effective in timber yards. It is capable of elevating logs to a height of up to 7.9 meters and stacking them in a capacity of 8 to 12 tons. Logistics is the most critical factor in the complete lumber processing process. It is not feasible to permit valuable timber to decay in piles. The most significant characteristics of a log stacker from the perspective of the users are dependability, economic efficiency, and reliability. The average utilization of these devices is 4,000 to 6,000 hours per year, with the potential for a total of 8,000 hours annually. It is estimated that there are 8,760 hours in a year. According to Juha Manninen, the product manager for TW Log Stackers, the engine is practically running all the time. The Ponce Scorpion. The Ponce Scorpion revolutionized the forest machine industry in 2013. And it is now time to take the next step. Operator convenience and experience are prioritized in a manner that has never been observed before with the all-new Ponce Scorpion. Ponce is cognizant of the fact that an operator who is content and at ease is more productive. This is the reason the new Scorpion is furnished with the Ponce Future Cabin, a revolutionary design that was meticulously constructed to ensure the most optimal working environment. The level of comfort that operators experience is elevated to an entirely new level by the addition of additional cabin space, high-quality materials, and a visually appealing design. In any illumination condition, whether day or night, operations can be conducted securely and efficiently with exceptional visibility. The Ponce Scorpion remains an exemplary example of stability, particularly when navigating challenging terrain. To mitigate operator fatigue, the configuration is both user-friendly and familiar, ensuring that all items are easily accessible. The cabin provides a serene and refined environment that enables one to focus on their work after the door is closed. 280 horsepower is generated by the Mercedes-Benz EU Stage V Tier 4 final engine that powers the Ponce Scorpion King, an 8-wheel drive harvester. It features a unique 3-hole design that guarantees the cabin's levelness at all times, as well as an overhead forked main boom. Additionally, it provides a completely unobstructed view by offering a reach crane choice of either 10 or 11 meters. The Scorpion King's breadth is between 2690 and 3085 millimeters. It typically has a ground clearance of 655 millimeters and weighs 22,500 kilograms. A selection of 3 distinct variants is available for the Ponce harvesting head. It is equipped with a 2-circuit hydraulic system that is particularly beneficial in regeneration felling situations. Ponce's Opti information systems are designed to be user-friendly. Because of this, its design considers the needs of forest corporations and the preferences of drivers. Ponce Opti is equipped with a system that is appropriate for forestry machinery when it comes to harvesting control and monitoring. The Opti system's user-friendly applications enable the simple management, modification, and control of application files, as well as the calibration of the machine. The Ponce Manager is accountable for connecting forest machines to an information network. Ponce Manager, the innovative digitalization platform for forest apparatus, enables the provision of comprehensive services in the present and the future. The application is user-friendly and offers comprehensive information, as well as assistance in the maintenance of harvesting apparatus and the planning of operations. GT16 Mulcher. For professionals engaged in land clearance and forestry, the GT16 Mulcher is a groundbreaking piece of equipment. This machine is capable of slicing through wood at a rate that surpasses that of any other competitor in its category, thereby maximizing your production and profitability. The GT16 is capable of effortlessly chopping down trees and stumps, converting the wood into a mulch that resembles sawdust thanks to the most advanced saber-tooth cutting technology available. The captive track and the rugged steel track are the two options available for those seeking optimal performance on any terrain. The surrounding environment is negligibly impacted by both options, which provide extremely low ground pressure. The forward tilt cab, which is entirely enclosed and features a comfortable suspension seat, enables operators to maintain their productivity throughout extended workdays. The GT16XP is a cutting-edge forestry mulcher that is engineered to deliver optimal performance while simultaneously ensuring a comfortable user experience. Enter the Taxi, which has been recently redesigned and is equipped with a touchscreen tablet that is both user-friendly and integrated with Nexus for real-time monitoring of pressures and performance. The design is spacious and can accommodate operators of varying sizes. It also includes adjustable armrests and ample storage space for tools, ensuring the uttermost convenience. The GT16XP is equipped with a 516 head that is highly durable and features a wider shaft and bearings to simplify the process of cutting larger trees. This head's durability and extraordinary performance in the most demanding conditions are guaranteed by its greater horsepower rating than its consumption. Gyrotrack's push bar has been reinforced to ensure that it can withstand intensive use without bending. The incorporation of aerodynamic innovations and robust trunnions enables the machine to provide stability and strength. The open track design simplifies maintenance in comparison to older models that had metal components that eventually became obstructed. The GT16XP is furnished with a Cummins engine and a superior cooling system, as well as components that are easily accessible. A hydraulic reservoir and a fuel water separator comprise these components. It ensures dependability and efficacy in the most hostile of environments as it was developed in collaboration with Cummins. The GT16XP eliminates the necessity for a gearbox by utilizing a direct transfer from the engine to the pumps. The quantity of contaminants is reduced and maintenance is significantly simplified by this innovative design, which is combined with filters that have been specifically positioned. Operators can perform the majority of repairs independently due to the ease of accessibility, which fosters efficiency and independence. The machine is equipped with an emergency trap door that enables rapid evacuation, as well as a safety pin that secures the cockpit during maintenance. The GT16XP's design prioritizes user safety and simplicity of use, ensuring a seamless experience even in life-threatening situations. The sophisticated cooling package of this machine guarantees that temperatures remain at their optimal levels, even in the scorching heat of Beaufort, South Carolina, without any disruptions. Its fuel reservoir is both compact and expandable, which guarantees uninterrupted operation on steep inclines. The GT16XP is not merely another skid steer with a mulcher. Rather, it is a high-performance, specialized piece of equipment that can be effortlessly positioned behind a pickup vehicle. Introducing the GT16XP, a new forestry mulching juggernaut that will provide you with unparalleled levels of comfort and productivity. ATV and UTV log carriers. The optimal choice for managing firewood, clearing brush, or processing timber on your property is log transporters that are equipped with utility vehicles and all-terrain vehicles. These attachments are both lightweight and cost-effective, and they can convert your ATV or UTV into a robust forestry implement. The process of harvesting logs in wooded areas is significantly simplified by the ability to access locations that are difficult to access with ATVs and UTVs. A more cost-effective alternative to skidders or tractors that is ideal for smaller-scale forestry operations. The ground is safeguarded and the logs are kept clear during transportation with the optional rear support. You can effortlessly manage a diverse array of log sizes to meet all of your forestry needs. When transporting logs onto the transporter, you may employ either an electric or manual winch, either the hang and bind system, which is intended for larger logs, or the turntable carrier frame, which is an optional accessory for smaller branches, can be used to transport logs securely. Tie-down chains and harnesses are included in this product, in addition to safety instructions and a user guide. Iron Baltic's ATV and UTV log carriers are the most cost-effective, user-friendly, and least burdensome options for conducting small-scale forestry operations on your property. Furthermore, our log haulers are the optimal mode of conveyance for areas that are confined and otherwise difficult to access, as well as areas that are inaccessible to larger machinery, such as tractors. The log haulers may be equipped with either a manual or electric winch of varying capacities to lift the cargo and transport the logs to the hauler. The rear support, which is available as an option, not only guarantees that the cargo is clean, but also enables the movement of logs without causing environmental harm by dragging them. The carrier's cargo capacity of 500 kilograms or 1102 pounds suggests that they are more than capable of accommodating the loads they can carry. If you enjoyed this video and want to see another just like it, then be sure to click the link on the screen now. With that, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.